friends, let's set up our new API project with database connectivity. Click on file option, then select the Spring Starter project. Give your name as REST API with DB, and the rest of the properties is same, and Java version is 8, as I have 1.8 Java version in my local system. Change the group ID and description and the package. Now click on next button. Here we have to select some dependencies: Spring Boot Dev Tool, Spring Web, then MySql connector, type here SQL, and scroll down to bottom and select the MySql driver. Now next step to select the JDBC API, as we are using JDBC API to communicate with our database. So select the JDBC API and next. Let's check the Spring Boot version. Leave it for now. If anything error occurred, we will change in next step. So next, finish. It will take some time to sync up your project as per the internet speed. Wait till your project is going to sync. Now project is synced. Let's test with run a project. Right click on a project and select the option run and Spring Boot app. It is running. Okay, let's first set up our initial setting for the context path as REST API and the port name to 8989. Server.port. Now save your project and run the project. Right click. Java version mismatch. Actually, the configuration is mismatched. Let's open your pom.xml, and here we have to change our Java version 17, but we have in local machine to 1.8. Set it to 1.8 and run your project again. This we have to change the Spring version also 2.7.9, which is compatible with Java 1.8. Let's run a project again. Is running perfectly. Now we have to set up the connection URLs, connection string to connect our MySql database. This error coming due to we have applied the JDBC driver. If we are not going to give the connection string here, then this kind of error will occur. So we have to add the connection strings to our application.properties file. database that we will use in our project. So these are the connection strings that we are using for MySQL database. Spring dot data source, hello friends, welcome to the Textual Education. In this video series, we are going to learn how to create REST APIs with MySQL database. So here we have created all all packages and the connection string in application.properties file. This is CJ, new connection class, driver class, and in pom.xml we have done an entry by name MySQL connector Java. Sorry. So in this video we will learn how to save data with the help of REST API in MySQL database. Okay, so let's get started. Create your controller. Give it name as employee controller. Annotate this by REST controller and the base URL request mapping with employees. Okay, now first we create the model object. Model means the bean object that we will store data. And what will be the variables? The ID, name, department, salary and mobile number. This is the employee table that we are using. Currently we are removing the data. Okay, now create a model by name employee model. Create the variable public int id, private string name, private string department, private integer salary and private string mobile. Now create the getter setter method. Select all. Let's create a there is some view issue in my settings now. To let me save this file first and let's create another model class that is employee response to send response. private string status, private string message, then private list employee model that will return the employee model list. Give it name to data. Now create a getter setter for this as well. Done. Now let's create a service class. Service interface. Give it name to as employee service and create a method by name public employee response save new employee. Here we will pass the employee model object. Now let's create a service IMPL class. Employee service IMPL and implement the employee service interface. First, give the annotation as service and implement the interface employee service. Import a method this. Now we have to create a DAO class. Let's create DAO class. Give the name as employee DAO or DAO, whatever. This will connect with our database with the help of JDBC template. Let's auto add the JDBC template variable. Now let's create a method by to save new employee object. Public employee response save employee data and pass the employee model object. Create the object for employee response. Return the response and apply a try catch block. And we will write our code in our try catch block. res.set status failed if any exception occurred, and we will return the error in message tag ex.toString. Done for now. Now let's move to the try block. Create a query first. Let's create a query first. String query equal to insert into employee. Here we need to give the column like name, department, salary and mobile number. Then values, and we have to set the values here. For string type we need to set like this: first single quote, then double quote, then plus sign for concatenate model dot name comma same to like this. dot department, get department, next, comma, single colon, double colon, plus model dot get salary, then comma, last single colon, double colon, plus model dot get mobile number, and the last semicolon. This is done for now. Now next step is to execute this query with the help of JDBC template object. Integer x equal to JDBC dot update and pass your query here. Now check the x value of x. X will return by the JDBC update method to how many rows are updated. So if the x is greater than 0, that means it is updated something in database. So we are assuming that it is saving the data successfully. So set the RES status to success and RES message to data saved successfully. Else RES status to failed and RES message to unable to save data. This is done. Now let's move to our employee service IMPL class. Let's auto wire the DAO object here. Auto wired public emp DAO and return the object from here. DAO dot save employee. Pass your model object here. Done for now. Now let's move to our controller. Auto wire the service class here. Private employee service and service. Now create a method to save employee object. Public employee response save employee, and here we will receive a request body with the help of request body annotation, and what the JSON format will be in employee model format type. Okay, now return service dot, that's it. Now annotate this method by name post mapping / save. Done. Let's save our project and check the data is saving successfully or not. All done for now. So let me check all the, yes, everything is working. How our URL will be created, that will be http localhost port 8989 / REST API / employees / save. This will be our URL, and the JSON object format must be in this: ID, name, department, salary, mobile number. ID is optional because ID is auto generated in the table that we have already set in our first video. This will call process flow, and this method will call DAO object. The responsibility of DAO class is to persist the data in database, MySQL database. I think we have done all things right. Let's run our project and check how data is saving in MySQL database or not. Currently we have only one record in table. Okay. Let's go to the Postman. Type your URL here. http localhost port 8989/REST API /employees/save. Now create a request body with the help of save parameter name type. Okay, so let's create a JSON object. Name comma department sales comma salary. As you know, the JSON supports the key value pair, so you have some basic knowledge about JSON format. Then mobile number, any random mobile number. Okay, the request object is created in JSON. The method is post. This is the URL. Now let's save our object first. The request data will become here and pass to this method, and the process is follows. Now create the send method. Okay, let's check what is the error message. Let's check in our Spring Boot suite. Consider defined below employee DAO. We have to actually we are auto wiring this, so we have to annotate this with @component annotation. Now run our project again. Yes, test it again. See, the response is status success message, data saved successfully. Let's check in our database. Refresh the table name. Right? Yes, the Kamal Singh sales 45,000 and the mobile number. Now let's save another object. Vikram Singh, department is IT, salary to 60,000 and changing mobile number to this. Now click on save button, send button. Yes, again let's check data again. Yes, perfect. This is working perfectly. So in this video we will learn how to create a REST APIs to save data in MySQL database. I hope you learn everything successfully. If you have any doubt, please comment. I will try to resolve your issues. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe our channel for future notification. Bye bye. See you in next videos.